Hi, it's Raza Hussain, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration about how you can write your business plan template in MeChat Universe. I will see the business plan template over here, and if you want to write something, so first of all there are chapters. You can click on edit and you will see this text area or editor. So you can style it, you can write anything over here about the executive summary of your business. So for the demo purposes, I used AI to executive summary. Okay, so I can save it. So my data is updated. Now I can share it with someone with this shareable link, and I have to give the key to that user so they can read it. Otherwise no one can get access with this link. So I'm going to open this thing. So I have to put a secret key over here to view that business plan template. So I have to give that key to the user whom I'm going to share. So after validating the key, user can see your business plan template. Now let's go next for the print. You can print or save it. You can save it into the PDF, or you can print it from here. So you will see your business plan template like that. You can adjust your margins. You can print header and footers. You can print backgrounds, whatever you like. So this is all about how you can write your business plan template.
Plus, you can access your private template 24/7 anytime and anywhere you are in the world, including the film studio.